I will start by accepting the cookies to clear the UI. Then I will make an initial guess of inception to establish the target medium, year, and rating. This will provide the first set of feedback arrows and genre overlaps to narrow down the search. Type card is green for inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released after 2010. Red arrow up with an IMDb rating lower than 8.8. Red arrow down. No genres: action, adventure, sci-fi. Actors: DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page, or director Nolan overlapped. Type card is green for inception, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. It is not action, adventure, or sci-fi. I will guess Parasite 2019, which is a highly rated drama/thriller from a later year to test the genres and a different rating bracket. Type card is green for Parasite movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2019. Red arrow down and has a rating lower than 8.5. Yellow arrow down within 0.5. The genre drama is a match. Green, but thriller is not. No actors or directors from Parasite match. Type card is green for Parasite, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2019 but newer than 2010 from Inception feedback, and its rating is between 8.0 and 8.4. It is a drama but not a thriller, action, adventure, or sci-fi. I will guess Whiplash 2014, which is a highly rated drama from that period. Type card is green for Whiplash movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2014. Yellow arrow down within 2 years and has a rating lower than 8.5. Yellow arrow down within 0.5. Drama is a matching genre. Green, but music is not. No actors or directors from Whiplash match. Type card is green for Whiplash, so target medium equals movie. The target is a drama released in 2012 or 2013 with an IMDb rating between 8.0 and 8.4. I will guess 12 Years a Slave 2013, which fits the year, genre, and rating criteria perfectly. Type card is green for 12 Years a Slave movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 2013 and rating 8.1 are both green, meaning they match exactly. The genres biography and drama are green matches, but history is gray. No actors or directors from this guess match. The target is a 2013 biography/drama with an 8.1 rating that is not history. Type card is green for 12 Years a Slave, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 2013 biography/drama with an 8.1 rating, but it is not a history movie. Dallas Buyers Club 2013 fits all these criteria. It is a biography/drama, released in 2013, and has an 8.1 IMDb rating. Type card is green for 12 Years a Slave, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 2013 biography/drama with an 8.1 rating, but not history. Dallas Buyers Club fits these perfectly. I will clear the field, type the title, select from the drop-down, and click the guess button. Type card is green for The Breakfast Club movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 1985 and rating 7.8 are both green, meaning they match exactly. The genres comedy and drama are green matches. No actors or directors from this guess match. The target is a 1985 comedy/drama with a 7.8 rating. Type card is green for The Breakfast Club, so target medium equals movie. The target is a movie from 1985 with a 7.8 IMDb rating. It is a comedy and drama. I will guess After Hours 1985, which is a highly acclaimed comedy/drama from that exact year with a 7.8 rating. Type card is green for The Breakfast Club, so target medium equals movie. The target is a movie from 1985 with a 7.8 IMDb rating. It is a comedy and drama. I will guess After Hours 1985, which is a highly acclaimed comedy/drama from that exact year with a 7.8 rating. I will first accept the cookies to ensure the UI is clear. Type card is green for The Breakfast Club, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 1985 movie with a 7.8 rating, matching comedy and drama. Brazil 1985 is a famous comedy/drama from that year with a 7.8 rating. I will clear the field and try this specific title. Type card is green for Shrek Forever After movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 2010 is red with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 2012. The rating 6.3 is red with an up arrow, meaning the target rating is higher than 6.8. No genres: animation, adventure, comedy, or actors/directors match. The target is a movie newer than 2012 with a rating above 6.8 that is not an animation, adventure, or comedy. Type card is green for Shrek Forever After, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010 year 2010 arrow up and has a rating higher than 6.3 rating 6.3 arrow up. It is not animation, adventure, or comedy. I will guess Interstellar 2014, which is a sci-fi/drama with a high rating 8.7 and fits the newer year constraint. Type card is green for Interstellar movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 2014 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target is from 2012 or 2013. The rating 8.7 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 8.2. The genre drama is green matches, but adventure and sci-fi are gray. No actors or directors match. The target is a 2012-2013 drama with a rating below 8.2. Type card is green for Interstellar, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 2012-2013 drama with a rating lower than 8.7. Dallas Buyers Club 2013 is a drama with an 8.0 rating, which fits the yellow year within 2 years of 2014 and lower rating constraints perfectly. Type card is green for Interstellar, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 2012-2013 drama year 2014 yellow arrow down with a rating lower than 8.7. Dallas Buyers Club 2013 is a drama with an 8.0 rating, which fits all constraints. I will clear the cookie banner first to ensure clicks land correctly. Type card is green for Interstellar, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 2012-2013 drama with a rating lower than 8.7. I will try searching by the year 2013 to find a matching drama like Dallas Buyers Club or 12 Years a Slave. I will first click the accept button to clear the cookie banner. Type card is green for Lawrence of Arabia movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 1962 is red with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 1964. The rating 8.3 is green, meaning the target rating is exactly 8.3. The genre drama is green matches, but adventure and biography are gray. No actors or directors match. The target is a movie newer than 1964 with a rating of 8.3 and the genre drama. Type card is green for Lawrence of Arabia, so target medium equals movie. The year 2013 is green exact match. The rating 8.3 has a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.3. The target is a 2013 drama with a rating below 8.3. I will also view the poster hint to confirm. The Hunt Jadden is a 2012/2013 drama with an 8.3 rating, but I need something slightly lower or a different 2013 drama. I will try The Hunt first as it is a prominent 2013 drama. Type card is green for The Hunt movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 2020 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 2018. The rating 6.6 is red with an up arrow, meaning the target rating is higher than 7.1. The synopsis describes the rivalry between James Hunt and Niki Lauda, which is the plot of the movie Rush. The target is the movie Rush 2013. Type card is green for The Hunt, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2020 and has a rating higher than 6.6. Based on the previous feedback that the year is 2013 and the rating is 8.1, and the synopsis mentioning James Hunt and Niki Lauda, the target is clearly Rush 2013. I will clear the cookie banner and submit Rush. I crossed the finish line with Rush 2013 in 10 guesses. The turning point was the synopsis describing the legendary rivalry between James Hunt and Niki Lauda, which perfectly matched the 2013 year and drama genre constraints.